Yo, so I'm really excited to open up this shredder today. He's the BST AXN by the loyal subjects, and I opened up the Foot Soldier last week, but I really wanted this guy because he looks like he could be the shredder that I wished I had when I was a kid. Got the same kind of background as the Foot Soldiers, but his says Shredder, obviously, because he's Shredder. I'm not gonna keep the box. There we go. So these guys don't put any twist ties or zip ties, and that is a big plus for me because it drives me crazy trying to get the toys out of the packaging most of the time. Oh, he almost landed standing up. That was close. And there's a little sticker in there, but I don't need that. So here we go. Is he the shredder of my dreams? Yeah. I mean, this is the shredder I would have had when I was a kid. And then this is a 6-inch Playmate shredder that I custom painted. This is a 5-inch BST AXN. He's pretty dope for 20 odd bucks. I like how they actually paint the metal parts metal. I know like NECA and make dope ones, but they do gray instead of silver. It's more accurate to the cartoon, but in my imagination as a kid, the gray is supposed to represent silver. But yeah, he's super dope. He's got some arm articulation, which is good. The cape is like a plastic or rubbery material, and it's not huge, so it doesn't really weigh him down. He's got a trident, but he's with the open hands. I'd have to put these. He's got a nice sword. I like their weapons. They all come with lots of weapons, these BST AXN or BST AXN figures. And then he's got a little communicator to contact Krang, and if you can see, there's a little picture of Krang. Maybe I'll take a better picture. They don't do any waist swivel, but they do a chest swivel. The head just sideways, can go all the way around, but it doesn't go up or down. His arms, they're pretty good. Oh, is that supposed to do that? Or did his arm just break? Alright, I wasn't really overstressing that or anything. Yeah, his arm broke there. I can put it back together, but it's broken. I'll have to do that later. I'm not happy about that. But I will fix him, and that'll be Saturday's video. I'm gonna fix his arm, and I'm gonna give him a little bit of a paint job to make him look a little more like this guy, just with a clear coat and a wash, and fix his arm. But that's a letdown. I do have the turtles coming. 3 of them are coming in a few days, so I'll try and get a review video out on that next Wednesday. But this Saturday I'm gonna fix Shredder and give him a bit of a paint job, and I was really happy about this guy, but now that his arm broke, I'm much less happy. Still kinda cool, but we'll see how the turtles are when they finally arrive. Until then, or until Saturday, until I see you again anyways. Until next time, always keep your head up. Peace.